Hi guys, welcome to Finance with Matt, brought to you by Tribesman Financial. Today we're going to be looking at registering your business in Zimbabwe. Mainly looking at 1, who should register, and 2, the type of entity you could register your business as. So let's begin. When we talk about who should register, here we are referring to any individual or individuals who would like to undertake any type of business within Zimbabwe. The type of registration we are referring to is registration that can be divided into 2. 1. Registration through the Register of Deeds, Companies and Intellectual Property. 2. Registration through local authorities. So whether you're that small grocery store, barber, restaurant, or you bake those delicious cakes for every event, the law of Zimbabwe requires you to register your business. The next question one would ask is, what kind of entity can I register my business as? To answer this question, we need first to define an entity. An entity is a thing with distinct and independent existence. This definition is what every business owner should look at their business as. Think of your business as separate from you, existing on its own with its own needs. Now, to decide on the type of entity to register your business as, one only needs to look at the type of business they have. We have various types of entities in Zimbabwe, and we are going to look at the most popular ones and discuss those. First, and in no particular order, we have 1, a private limited company. This type of entity, as the name suggests, provides that clear distinction between the shareholders of the business, its owners, and the business itself. A private limited company is best suited for those with a medium to large organization that has 2 or up to 50 directors or shareholders. These shareholders will have separate legal identity from the business, meaning the business liabilities are separate from the owners in the eyes of the law. This entity has directors who manage the business on behalf of the shareholders and who act as stewards of the business. 2, we have cooperative societies. This is where members get together with the intention of pooling resources to facilitate services such as production or marketing of agricultural produce, or livestock, or other ventures. They sell the produce amongst themselves and other markets and share the proceeds and profits. It is a worthwhile company for young individuals who are marginalized but have access to land and equipment. 3, we have a private business corporation. This entity is mainly for small to medium businesses and is a step up from a sole trader or sole proprietorship. It is established under the Private Business Corporation Act, Chapter 24(11). It gives a group of individuals in business that separate legal identity afforded by a private limited company. However, it has a restriction of 2 to 20 members only. These 3 are considered formal business entities and are all registered through the Department of Deeds, Companies and Intellectual Property. The next are informal and constitute a large number of entities within Zimbabwe. These can be registered through a local authority like the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority, giving them some level of formality. For these, we have 1, a sole trader. This is mainly for an individual in business, meant for small businesses, and unlike the others mentioned before, there is no separate legal identity in the eyes of the law between the business and its owners. A sole trader or sole proprietorship is the majority of businesses within Zimbabwe, and if you look around, you'd find that most businesses are just owned and managed by one person. 2, we have partnerships. As the name suggests, a group of individuals up to 20 come together to register a partnership. They may write up a partnership deed that governs the way they operate, and just like a sole trader, they have no separate legal identity. All the above entities are required to register with 1 or more local authorities such as the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority, National Social Services Authority, and various national councils depending on their operations. We also have other entities that do not necessarily fall into the profit-making sense of a business, but however produce income that are registered as taxpayers or employers. However, for the purpose of this episode, we will only focus on the profit-making entities. So, to recap, the types of entities one could register their business as are 1, a private limited company, 2, a cooperative society, 3, a private business corporation, 4, a sole trader, 5, a partnership. With this information, take a look at the type of entity you could register your business as, and if you're already registered, you have taken the first step towards building a better Zimbabwe. On the next episode, we're going to be looking at advantages of registration, how this can increase your profitability and help you grow your business. So please join us on the next one, and thank you for watching. If you liked this, please let us know by hitting that like button. And if you think others can benefit from this, please share. We would like to hear from you, so ask as many questions as you'd like in the comments section below.